arbitrationagreements.org. Good day to all dear enthusiasts of arbitration and alternative dispute resolution. We are here today to delve deep into an instrumental concept known as neutral analysis, a cornerstone in the arena of alternative dispute resolution. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. Neutral analysis embodies a careful and unbiased evaluation of disputes that takes place in the world of alternative dispute resolution. This process is carried out by an impartial expert who has no stake in the outcome of the dispute. In the first stages, we engage in understanding the perspectives of both parties involved. The expert closely examines the arguments, evidence, and relevant laws to come up with a fair analysis that might potentially guide the disputing parties towards a mutually agreeable resolution. We cannot emphasize enough the importance of neutrality in this process. It's through this unbiased approach that we can foster a space of understanding and cooperation. Let's consider the facts and figures to get a clear picture. About 50% of business disputes worldwide are now settled through various forms of alternative dispute resolution, which also encompasses neutral analysis. This not only helps in resolving disputes in a timely manner, but also in a cost-effective way. Plus, well over 70% of individuals who have used this method found it to be a fair process, a testament to the efficacy of this approach in fostering justice and equity. Additionally, we find it fascinating that almost 80% of alternative dispute resolutions are finalized in less than a year, which speaks volumes about its efficiency, especially when we compare it with traditional court litigations, which can often span over several years. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the benefits of this process. Firstly, it promotes a culture of understanding and empathy as we endeavor to understand the standpoint of both parties. Secondly, it is an expedient route, saving both time and resources. Lastly, it fosters harmony and averts the possibility of strained relationships that often result from long-drawn court battles. We sincerely hope that this discourse has provided you with a deeper insight into the realm of neutral analysis within alternative dispute resolution. Let us continuously aspire to build bridges and find common ground, fostering a more harmonious and understanding society. Do you need more information about the basics of neutral analysis? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Also, what do you think about neutral analysis? Does it seem like an advantageous alternative to litigating in a courtroom? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.